Hello friends, welcome to Top 10 Lifestyle. Today I will tell you about 3 best turmeric face masks for glowing skin. So, keep watching till end. Turmeric is a common skincare ingredient because it's a natural anti-inflammatory. It's wonderful for anyone who has super sensitive skin, but even for normal skin types, it really makes the skin look flawless. Not only is turmeric an anti-inflammatory, but it's also very high in antioxidants. It's no wonder it's been an ancient beauty secret in places like India for centuries. Using it in daily masks or finding skincare products that contain it help to combat acne, brighten your skin, and even fine lines. This is one ingredient that should be added to everyone's skincare routine and diet alike. Turmeric has been known to be as helpful in treating inflammation as some over-the-counter medicines. Ingesting it in powdered or pill form helps to de-bloat the body. You can also achieve the same soothing effect of this natural anti-inflammatory when you apply it onto your skin. Your skin will be bright and depuffed after a daily mask or product containing this amazing spice. Okay, now let me share you the 3 best daily turmeric face masks for your glowing skin. Soothing and depuffing turmeric mask. 1 tablespoon yogurt, a half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon finely chopped parsley. Mix all ingredients together, leave on for 10 minutes. Remove with a warm cloth. Exfoliating anti-inflammatory mask. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, a half teaspoon of organic turmeric, 1 tablespoon of almond meal. Mix all ingredients together, leave on for 10 minutes. Remove with a warm cloth. Triple action turmeric mask. 1 tablespoon yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey, a half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon aloe. Mix all ingredients together, leave on for 10 minutes. Remove with a warm cloth. Like and share this best turmeric face mask video with your loved ones. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.